In the Army, one of the principal components of leadership development is to simultaneously achieve mastery of your own skills and then also be teaching junior enlisted soldiers how to do the multitude of tasks that we're doing. So one of the ways that we promote the ability to achieve mastery of a skill is as a junior enlisted, and at any point you learn one, you do one, and you teach one. And so what happens in this process is you learn the principal components of it, and then how that translates into college is you're sitting in the lecture, hearing the professor talk, and then you do it. And so what that happens in studying, that happens in reading the papers, that happens in writing the essays. You're doing it, but then there's the component where you achieve the mastery of the principle, and that's where you teach it. And so by working in study groups, you can break down the huge amount of assignments that you have in the studying, and you can achieve mastery in certain portions of it. And then you teach your friends, your peers, the people that you're studying with, how to do it. And what that allows, it allows you to slice up the amount of work, you can delegate the amount of work, and then it also allows you to really ingrain and fully understand the principle before you teach it to them.